of wolves. Look at what you've done with your life. It's not even close to being done. You're just getting started. Hundreds of thousands of people look up to you, respect you, appreciate you, all because you chose to care. All because you found a way. You turn that pain into purpose, dude. That's the transmutation of energy. You've broken and continue to break generational curses, dude. Those things that have been drip fed and just like woven into the fabric of each generation. Toxic generation, I might add. You've been able to shift that, influence that in one way or another, primarily positively. And holy shit, girl, I saw that video of you crying. Oh, dude, Hulk smashed that shit. That pisses me off. I want someone to come in here and actively attempt to ruin my day, dude. Let's go. Bring on the haters, dude. You need someone to hate on? Hate on me, bitch. Let's go. Where are you? You're attacking mama wolves? I will ruin your whole environment, dude. Let's go. It sucks, dude. It hurts my heart that there are those people that have been able to shift your entire world, man. God damn it. You're the revolution. You are the revolution.